Welcome to Madrasatul Hara Tangail. Today, I am very grateful. I am very happy to organize it by Madrasatul Hara for this program. Today is Ashura. What is Ashura? Ashura is the 10th day of the Islamic month of Muharram. It's a very important day for Muslims. Why is it so important? There are two reasons. First, it's the day when Prophet Muhammad Musa alayhi salatu wasalam and his people were saved from Pharaoh by Allah. Second, it's the day when Imam Hussein, the great son of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, was murdered. Unfortunately, all Muslims don't observe it the same way. Sunni Muslim fasted on this day to follow the practice of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who fasted on this day. Shia Muslim mourn and remember the sacrifice of Hussein with a great sorrow. So, finally, may Allah give us tawfiq to follow Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May Allah give us tawfiq. All Muslim fasted on this day. Thank you very much for listening to you.